Welcome back. So on Vivo Saima 2017, powered by Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash and Bosch Washing Machine, we have with us a gorgeous black beauty today, I must say. Everybody is just going gaga over your look. So tell us about your look. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Vasavi creation, and she's quite new to styling. But she's fantastic, and we both together styled this.
Okay.
And I'm very happy she reads my mind, and she got me what I wanted to.
That's wonderful. And tell us about being a part of Saima, all the 4 industries coming together. So how are you feeling today?
Very, very happy, very nice, and it's always very good feeling to mix work and fun together.
Absolutely.
And this time at Saima 2017, you are in Abu Dhabi celebrating it, and it's very nice of Saima to take all the 4 industries out of the workplace every time, taking us to places. And we wish we do so much better work in future, so Saima keeps going to places and take us to different places.
Absolutely. In fact, today we're in a very different place. For the first time, Saima is in Abu Dhabi. So when you first stepped out of the airport and saw Abu Dhabi, what did you think?
Oh my God. Honestly, I was just taken aback with the heat here. But the warmth of the people is so nice, and the welcome was so good. I'm really happy, and I wish I could have squeezed in a couple of more days from my schedule, but unfortunately after the 2 days I'm flying back. But I will make the most of the time. Maybe tomorrow in the early hours, the morning time, I might just go before the awards. So.
Fantastic. And if there's one thing that you would say that Saima is very different from the other awards, and this is why Saima is so special, what would that be?
South Indian International Movie Awards it is, so it's taking all the 4 places, and I have honestly felt a lot of genuinity and honesty in be it nominations this time, not because I am there, but I've seen the rest of the nominations too, and I don't think I should say anything more because the audience is already watching a lot of awards these days, and
yes.
So much is happening. So, and then Saima, the organization is also very friendly, and they make you very comfortable. They make sure that this will be one of the best memories of your life. So I'm really happy to be a part of Saima this time.
We're really happy that you could be a part of Saima, and we really hope you win. So all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So just like her, we have a lot of fantastic celebrities coming in. And up next, we have the most wanted director. Welcome, sir. Every actor, every aspiring actor just wants to work with you. And today, we're live on Facebook, so we have all your fans watching you live. What would you like to say to them first?
First of all, it's a great feeling to be somewhere, international, at the international awards, because celebrating South Indian cinema. I think any kind of celebrating the cinema is great, and
yes.
I think Saima has put in a great show by making everything perfect. I think since morning I've just been seeing the logistics and everything. I think everything is perfect in place, and it takes a lot of effort, and congratulate Saima for that. So just hoping for the best next, and hopefully, let's see what happens.
Definitely, and in fact, I must say you look extremely stylish today, sir. What has to do with this? What is the secret behind this wonderful look?
You said that the feeling is mutual. You're looking stunning too, and it's just that it's international awards, so just thought let me dress up a bit, and that's all. That's it.
Is this special for Abu Dhabi?
Yeah, special for Abu Dhabi, actually.
Thank you so much, sir. We hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
You too.
Thank you, sir. And now we have a stunning beauty right here with us. Someone you've always watched on screen, someone you've always loved. Welcome to Saima 2017 Red Carpet. How are you feeling today?
Very zestful, very pumped, very excited and nervous for all the performers out today. But yeah, a mix of all energies, I guess.
Doesn't she look like she just jumped out of a Barbie box? I mean, you literally look like a doll today. How do you manage to look like this every time?
Honestly, I just have fun with myself, and I don't think I do things, for the outsiders to kind of perceive. It's just me, and I let loose, and maybe that's what comes across.
And today you're here for the Telugu and the Kannada awards, and you're a part of these industries. So who do you think is going to win all the big awards tonight?
Man, it's really hard to say, but I just hope that the best man wins because it's so important. All actors, I'm sure they're very well deserving, and you know, it takes a lot of time and effort to make a film, and whether it works out or it doesn't work out, there's always that personal touch that everybody adds in, you know. So I think tonight is the night of everybody, and the lucky man, woman, whoever it is, I hope they win it, and best of luck to everybody else.
Definitely, and I'm sure all the Telugu Facebook viewers are just waiting for you to say something in Telugu for them. So if you do, they would be really happy.
Okay, so you'll have to help me with this. How do you say I love you in Telugu?
Nenu ninne premistunnaanu.
Nenu ninne premistanu.
Oh, absolutely. And with that, I have a task for you. Okay. So if you just wait for a second, I'm going to give you this. So now, I'm not going to limit you to just the Telugu industry. So since we're in Saima, you can pick from all the 4 languages. But we have Facebook emoticons here, which all of you are very, very familiar with. So we're going to hand these emoticons over to her, and you're going to tell us who you would like to give this emoticon to. Okay?
Wow.
So we will begin with the first one, which is the heart. So who would you like to give your heart to?
This is a very controversial question. My heart. Can I make it unanimous, or do I have to name one person?
It has to be one person, right? Then what's
one person? I think it has to be V.I. Anand for being one of the most calmest and composed directors I've ever worked with, letting his actors free and loose to the ability of their own creation. Love you.
Wonderful. And then we have the cry face. Who would you like to give that to? Who's the cry baby of the industry?
I think it would be Alu Sirish. I think he would agree because I feel like, you know, he's a little worried and tensed of how his performance and act would turn out to be like. He doesn't consider himself to be a natural dancer, let's put it that way. And this was him till a few days ago, and I hope it changes to this.
Oh, so we're giving Alu Sirish 2 emoticons. In fact, he's going to be hosting today, so I think he needs all the emoticons.
I think he's going to kill me.
So we have the last one, which is going to be the angry face. So who do you think is like the angry young man of the industry?
Angry young man. Okay, he's probably going to kill me, but maybe this would go to Sandeep Kishan.
Whoa!
I'm sorry, man, but I've worked with you, and no, he's a sweetheart to work with, and very, very easy, and always throws in ideas and helps you and your co-actor to perform as well. But I don't know, when I see him, I just see that, and I'm just kidding. I mean, I just had to say it just for that.
No, but we're glad you being such a sport and you answered all those questions for us. So thank you so much. You're looking lovely, and hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you. And we're going to give you a million hugs.
Okay.
So that was the gorgeous Telugu actress here for us. Just like her, we have a whole lineup of stars here, and they're going to be walking this lovely red carpet, and I'm going to catch them just for you and ask a lot of questions, everything that you've been wanting to ask them. So put them down in the comment section and you'll find out the answer soon. See you guys.